Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I came with this viral maths operation equation actually, and we will solve it step by step. If you if you already find the answer, go and comment what is your answer, and I will heart. I will give heart. Okay. So in this expression, there are three mathematical operations. First one is parenthesis. Second one is this multiplication, and third one is division. And also there are multiplication, actually parenthesis I consider only one, but there are three, actually four mathematical operation. And to do this operation we will take help with them: parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So we will first solve for parenthesis. So in the next step, here question become 9 divided by 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3. As you know, we consider both division and multiplication at the same priority, and in this case we will solve from left to right. So here first question will be division. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Then rewrite this part, and 3 into 3, that is 9. If want hero in mathematics, like 0 to hero, 0 to hero, then go and check out our 13 books in the description, and also subscribe our channel and like this video if you found this valuable. Thanks for watching.